As we are moving into high-density urban living, everyday opportunities for people to encounter tangible and healthy experiences of nature are being diminished. The Docking Life installation encourages and enables communities to reconnect to natural systems and processes. Using a series of pods, high volumes of people can be provoked to experience the benefits of nature. The installation is made from 100% recycled PET bottles collected by local people from the area. The bottles can then be shredded and made into a felt, where they're then cut and sewn into pods. This means the more bottles that are collected, the more pods can be made, allowing for a visual representation of how many bottles the community has recycled. People are also encouraged to be part of the life cycle of plants by taking cuttings from the pods and nurturing the cuttings at their home or office. Participants can then return to the installation with more cuttings, adding to the pods and continuing with the life cycle and movement of plants around the area. An important aspect of the design is its tangibility, as a connection to people's senses creates a more memorable experience, enhancing the bond between people, recycling and nature.